In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a simple finance tracker in Notion. This quick tutorial will help you set up a functional and personalized tool to manage your expenses and income, all within a 5-minute time frame. So let's get started. First things first, you'll want to log into your Notion account. If you're not yet acquainted with Notion, it's a fantastic and versatile tool for keeping your life organized. Simply head over to the Notion website, input your credentials, and you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. Once you're all set and logged in, we're ready to move on to creating a new page. To create a new page, look towards the sidebar on the left-hand side. There's a plus icon often labeled Add a Page. Go ahead and click that. This will generate a blank canvas for you to work with, giving you total freedom to design your finance tracker as you see fit. Do keep in mind that the clearer and more organized your page is, the more helpful it will be in the long run. Now, let's name your new page Habit Tracker, an essential step to keeping your workspace tidy and easy to navigate, especially if you plan on building upon your Notion setup with more tools in the future. There, you've got your named page. Notion makes it easy to adjust and add content, but setting a good foundation from the start will always pay dividends later. Next, to create a database, go ahead and type in table view. This command will bring up an option to insert a table, providing a structured place to start cataloging your financial transactions. Selecting this will instantly create a table for you within your new page. We'll now rename this table to Transactions. Naming your databases clearly helps you identify the type of information you're managing. This is particularly useful once you expand your tracking and add more tables and pages. With your Transactions table set up, the next step is to create the columns and properties that you wish to track. Consider key information like date, description, category, amount, and perhaps a notes section for any additional details. These columns will allow you to input data into specific fields, providing a clear view of your financial activities. It's worth taking a moment here to think about what information will be the most beneficial for you to track, thereby enhancing your ability to assess spending habits and make informed decisions. And there you have it. In just a few minutes, you've set up a basic finance tracker in Notion. Congratulations on taking this step toward more organized personal finance management. As you continue using your tracker, you'll find how easily you can tweak and adjust your database to better suit your needs. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you keep a closer eye on your financial goals.